Rolling Stones aren't available, then the Rolling Tones are the next best thing. You're looking at Mick Jagger, Keith Richards, Ronnie Wood and Charlie Watts, of course. The tribute band get all their satisfaction from the Stones.
The Rolling Stones are the greatest rock and roll band in the world. Everything they do excites us. Can't wait to see the new film. Love to go and see them on tour. And just when you play their songs, each time you go out on stage, it makes you realise just how brilliant they are.
So the Rolling Stones might have a collective age of 273, but let's be honest, a retirement plan just isn't rock and roll. Minnie Stevenson, 5 minutes.